Guys, what's up? It's Mark. Check this out. On the chopping block this week is this gorgeous 2014 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali with a 7 to 9 inch McGaughy's lift kit. What we're debating right now are the small tires that were on here when we bought the wheels. These are a set of 22 by 12 inch Fuel Mavericks, chrome face, black barrel, wrapped in a 33 1250 22 inch tire. There's a lot of gap, so we're moving up. We're buying brand new 35 1250 22 inch tires to throw on this beast. A lot more girth, and it's going to look a whole lot better. The original wheels and tires that were on here were kind of hilarious. These right here, absolutely appalling. So with that said, check out the video. Hope you guys like it. This truck's also getting a whole lot more done, including taping up the whole entire suspension system that is powder coated this gorgeous purple. And we're getting the whole truck undercoated with a fresh, nice coat of paint to make it all look nice and uniform.
Are we rolling? Oh, we're rolling. Hey guys. Oh man, that was a high jump. Not. Guys, what's up? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? Welcome to the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. With this said, what we're gonna do is show you guys tire sizes with the wheel and lift kit on this 2014 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali. So check it out, come over here. What we have here, I want to show you from this side, right angle right here. I want to show you, now kind of zoom in right here, come into us right here. So what we have, guys, McGaughy's 7 to 9 inch lift kit, okay, on this truck. With that said, we bought a brand new set of, these are a set of 22 by 12 Fuel Mavericks, chrome face, black barrel. One of my favorite wheels, absolutely gorgeous wheel. We had a set of 33's lay around, or they came on the wheel, so we ran with them. They're a 33 1250 22 inch tire, mud terrain tire. If you step back here, I don't like the way it looks. It just looks like there could be more girth filled inside the fender well. Let me know what you guys think. Noah, get a whole shot of the side of the truck and see what we're looking at. So if you guys look, it just looks like me. Like, I skipped leg day. A lot of people are, F you, Noah. Fill up there, man. I'm just kidding. So, the truck looks bad. I don't like it. I like more girth. I think you guys probably appreciate the same kind of deal. A lot of you guys out there like a lot of wheel accent, a little bit of tire, have nothing against that. Depends on the size of the lift. It all depends on the size of, you know, what you're going with. A whole bunch of factors factor in. So with that said, let's show you guys the gaps. I'm gonna show you guys the gaps. Check it out. So guys, let me show you what's going on. Let me take a look over here. Come here. So we got a 33 1250 22 inch mud terrain tire wrapped around this beautiful Fuel Maverick. It's a 22 by 12 inch Fuel Maverick. So with that said, we're measuring it. 33 inch tire. Typically, with the size of the lift, you can probably fit a lot, but we're gonna go a little bit bigger. We're gonna get a brand new set of 35 1250 22 inch mud terrain tires, and here's why. So the gap right there, measuring from top to bottom, up to down, if you put the circumference based on right of the middle of the wheel, I'd be able to squeeze out another inch easily on that. If there's a little bit of trim required, it might be very, very minuscule, very small amount. So with that said, we got plenty of good amount of gap to put a bigger size tire right there, as you guys can see. I'll post a later video. I'm gonna post a later video about this and show you guys the finished product once it's already detailed. This truck has got a whole lot of stuff going on in the future. In the next 2 days, we got new parts coming in, we got new tires coming in, we got a whole bunch of new stuff coming for this truck. Once it's all done, we're gonna get a brand new set of WeatherTech floor mats front to back, line it, put some fresh cologne on, take a shower, jump in this sucker, and show you guys what's up. Stay tuned. This is Mark signing out.